Everyone's talking about Squid Games, but I think they got the instructions wrong. I've been out here trying to find the actual squids who play games. No tracksuits, just tentacles. First up, we've got our octopus friend. Look at that grip. He's got 8 arms and still only uses one controller. Talk about a flex. I'm using the laser to etch in these details. It's a high-stakes game, one wrong setting and it's game over for this coaster. And here is our star player. Look at that concentration. He's clearly a pro at Splatoon. I wanted to keep the lines clean but edgy. Really capturing that mystery of the ocean meets I've been up until 3 AM playing RPGs vibe. There it is. The real Squid Games. It's functional, it's wood burn, and it's definitely not going to make you go into debt, it'll just keep your coffee table from getting water rings. If you're an art lover or a gaming enthusiast, this is the coaster you didn't know you needed. Let me know in the comments, which sea creature would be the ultimate pro gamer? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more laser-focused art.